So in this video, it states that a trapezoid has an area of 36 square meter and an altitude of 2 meters. And each two bases have a ratio of 4:5. So what are the lengths of the bases? We're asked to get the length of A and B. So first, the formula of the area of a trapezoid is A is equal to 1/2 times the sum of the bases, so A plus B, okay, times your height, okay, or the altitude, H. And then we have here the ratio of the bases, so that will be A over B is equal to 4/5. So by it, we can rearrange this one para makuha natin. We can express A. Ayan, that will become A is equal to cross multiply lang. Okay, cross multiply lang natin and it will become 4/5B. Okay, so 4/5B lang. This will be our equation 1 and this will be our equation 2. And then we have to substitute our equation 2 to equation 1. So the value of our area is 36. So that's 36 is equal to 1/2. Our A is the equation 2, ito, which is 4/5 B. Okay, itong ballpen kay gubaon. Okay, tapos another B. It is based on the formula. Then times the H, which is we have 2 meters. So if you will simplify that one, it will become 36 is equal to 9/5B. You can just simply use your calculator, no? 4/5 plus 1, then times 1/2 times 2. Okay, so with this, we can get our B, which is equal to, if you again use your calculator, it will give you 20. So the value of our first base is 20. Itong si B, this is equal to 20. Now let's get A. So using this formula here, A is equal to 4/5B. Okay, susulat lang natin dito sa baba. A is equal to 4/5. Tapos yung B natin is 20. Okay, so therefore, our A is equal to 16. Therefore, the value of our bases is A, 16, and B equals to 20.